What up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Life According to E.
And Q.
She always trying to steal my shine. Anyways, guess what? It's my B-Day, and I'm so excited. I'm turning the big 32, the 32, right? It's a master number, okay? Or it's getting up there.
Come on, get in here.
Anyways, so we got some great things in plan. Well, she just showed me what we have in stored. And let me just say, I will be having my first gun range experience. That's right, we are at Shooters in Augusta, Georgia. And she's gonna let me pull that trigger today, baby. Isn't that nice? Come on, let's go in, man. I'm excited. Ah! How can I help you out today?
I called about renting a lane, our first time here.
Okay.
Renting, shooting.
Okay. And have you all shot before?
Okay.
Nah, you ain't
Never.
Oh, he's vlogging. It's his birthday, sorry.
Yeah.
I got you. So you have no experience shooting at all?
None
Yeah, I
at
do.
all.
You do? That's
Yeah,
why I was
I
asking
do.
the question.
Yes,
okay. Because we don't want anybody back there on their own without any
Right, yes.
experience. Okay.
But you can be back there with me.
Do you tell us anything, do you?
No?
We're not insured or licensed for that.
Okay.
Oh. Woo.
Yeah. So that's why I asked questions. So if you have experience, it's fine.
Cool.
But if you, like, for example, both of you didn't have any experience between the two of you, then I would just decline.
Okay.
Okay.
So, at any rate, first time here. Have either one of you signed in electronically?
No.
No.
Finish up with the 22. If you guys want to go down to the other end of the room by the American flag,
Cool.
I'll get that video for you. When it's over, it's about 8 minutes long. Come on back and get you out.
All right, guys. Let's go in. Here we go, y'all. Going for the crotch. Let's see what we got, baby. Ooh. Did I get him in the crotch? Man, don't you ever pull a trick on me. Not on me.
How did it feel?
You ready? Let's do it. Come on. Was it?
Huh? What's the counting?
Oh, it's gonna stop on its own. All right.
Put that stomach up. Funny thing is, I was aiming here the whole time. Ain't got one.
Nuh-uh.
The whole time.
Wow.
Look at that head, though.
Okay. All right, so we just had a blast at Shooters. It was incredible. I wouldn't say ladies first, but hey,
Really?
somebody got a vlog. So where we going next?
Well, my plants might have a hole in them now.
Okay. Why?
Well, let's go get a drink from your rancho.
Okay. Guys, we still got some work to do. We're doing a live tonight, so this vlog may not be that long. I always say that, don't I? And as long as I don't know what. But it may not be that long. We'll see. Hey, open up the door. All right. Thirsty anyone? Mmm.
Ranchos.
And
you know why?
Why?
Because they have that bomb margarita.
Oh, okay. Whatever. I should have brought my little gamble thing. This thing is shaking. I'm sorry about the shaky video, y'all.
Oh
Anyway.
God, this is going back to the very beginning when you shaky.
I know.
Or you know how to be more stable with it.
I know how to be a little bit more stable with it.
Oh,
I
okay.
just got to be in the mindset of it.
You shaking now? Not
A little bit.
High.
Not much.
Inside.
So we have to do a live tonight. And what are we going to talk about?
I don't know. Thank you.
Thanks, bro. I don't know either.
What y'all want us to talk about?
They ain't gonna be
Let's
this.
say, I kind of want to, like what I was explaining to you last night, I kind of want to bring that in. How you doing?
I wouldn't do it.
I wouldn't do it.
So, answer me this. How have I grown in these last 32 years? What have you seen? How are you so proud
Thank
of
you.
me?
How you've grown.
Yeah. Or just give a speech about my birthday from the heart.
You know, I don't do this.
Why don't you do Come on.
I don't.
You're supposed to be all lovey-dovey. You writing all kind of posts on
I don't do
Facebook.
lovey-dovey. My Facebook post. Can I read that? Because that's what
Oh, boo. Come on,
it is. You just
impromptu.
become a man.
Okay.
Your mindset is now that of a man, that of a person who walks in purpose. When we first started dating, you didn't walk in purpose. You just went with the flow.
I can agree.
But now, you know, you understand operating as your higher self and everything that's attached to you. And you walk in purpose. And that has caused you to become a man. It's caused you to become more supportive. It's because you become a great husband, a great father. You know, all those things rolled into one because you decided to, I want to walk in purpose. Overall, you've just grown completely. How was that?
That was incredible.
I made it up.
No, you didn't make it up. It came from the heart. Y'all put something down on the comments about that. Do you think it was real or fake? You think she really loves me? Or is she with me for the money?
I'm with him for the... Wait.
You gold digger?
Money?
You gold digger? Well, that was incredible. Oh, I have to say you're absolutely right about all of that. I do feel like I'm growing. I'm maturing more now. And it comes with age. I'm starting to really understand that right now. So I'm in a good place. I'm the big 3 to 32. I'm almost the master number 33.
Which I am.
Then why you ain't acting like a master?
I am a master. I'm a goddess. God is within me. God is within us. I'm a goddess.
I am spirit. Okay, I
am
get you.
spirit.
I am spirit. All right. Anyway, so are we still going to get the fajitas or no?
Yes.
Okay, so we're getting ready to go to the store, pick up some stuff to make the fajitas, and then we're going to make the fajitas, and then what? Do the live? Then we're gonna get back to work. But I think it's gonna be fun, and just come on, let's go. Oh, things are going to get better. God is going to show us. It shall come to pass.
Daddy,
for you.
is the food ready? Is the food ready?
Almost.
Hey, can I get some grapes?
All right. So how's your food?
Why you got me on camera? Shut up.
Here. All right. We'll see y'all on the next one. I'm hungry.
You got me just gulping down. Stupid. Stupid.
Okay, so we just got finished doing our live. It was a success. Now, excuse me, I'm eating and I'm signing out. My birthday was great. We'll see you on the next one.